Hey, how's it going today? Couple quick things on working with Google Sheets. I want to make sure that we show off some of what Google Sheets can do. So I have right here some fictional Big Valley High School MME data, not real data, nothing really associated with anybody, so it's safe to show. And I want to go over just kind of printing real quick. So first, our option to print is as follows. We hit that print button here. We have a couple different options. We print the current sheet. We can do all sheets. We can do a selection. And we can change the paper size. You can see we have a lot of built-in pre-sized paper, which is nice. Actual size portrait, landscape, whatever we want to do. So when we do this, I want to show you, if you hit print real quick, you can see kind of a preview of what's going to show up. And when that preview shows up, what you can see is that you can see how many pages it is and how it's laid out on that paper. That's really helpful because, looking at this, it's fit to size right now. That when it prints out on just 8 by 8.5 by 11 is not going to be enough for me to really make good use of this data. So I'm going to hit cancel on this. And what I want to do is I want to look to see. So maybe I only need a snippet of this information. So I'm going to just grab, whether or not they were a fall, or we'll check the fall attendance. And I only want the first 20 or so kids in that. I'm going to hit print again. And what we're going to do is we're going to choose selection this time. And we're going to hit print to see if it prints a little bit better. And as it kind of previews again, you'll see that this is going to probably fit much better. So now I can look at this data really quickly and know I don't have my headers, which is a concern. So I would definitely go back. And sometimes it's just kind of paying attention to, what we're doing a little bit to make sure that we have it. So I'm going to do that one more time and hit print. And once we have that, I'm going to check over here to include repeat rows just in case. It's going to fit to width. It's going to be portrait. We're good there. Hit print, and we should get a preview of exactly what we're looking for. So as you can see, I now have a decent little bit of information to work with, and I can go ahead and get started working on that. Thanks for tuning in on how to print from your spreadsheet.